To strengthen our technical expertise and product development, Techtion Smart Electronics recently organized a factory learning trip. We gained valuable insights into advanced production processes, equipment innovations, and market trends, laying a strong foundation for future product development. During the trip, we visited leading factories and learned about automated production lines and the latest technologies in smart transportation, industrial automation, and intelligent displays. Engaging with industry experts provided new ideas to inspire our product innovation. Techtion Smart Electronics is committed to meeting customer needs with innovative products. Through this learning experience, we deepened our understanding of market trends, particularly in high-brightness displays and eco-friendly smart systems. These insights will help us optimize products and stay ahead of market demands, offering customers reliable solutions. This learning experience also allowed us to strengthen partnerships through technical discussions with industry peers. These collaborations will create long-term opportunities for growth and mutual success. This visit improved our product knowledge and experience. Techtion Smart Electronics will keep innovating and providing reliable, smart products worldwide.